it'll go straight in the air. When you have direct TV, you just don't know what's going on.
For some odd reason, I'm having trouble keeping up.
There you go. Slow, 100 mile an hour.
Yeah, that was a nice slow pass.
You just quickly coordinate the ailerons, it'll be like flaps. You just got to go back and forth.
Just flap your wings.
Lower, faster. Yes, he does. Give another one of those high-speed flybys, Randy. It echoed all the way up. I lost you. There you are. Here it comes.
I wonder if they upped the ceiling for this event.
Yeah, we're $699.
Ask them if they bumped to 1,200.
Ask, what's your call?
Chris?
He said one guy told him 1,400, but I imagine it's probably 1,200.
Who the hell can see an airplane at 1,400 feet?
Randy.
I'm not talking about ridiculously jumbo extremes.
When your timer says it's time to land, just don't pay attention. And it gets
I
lighter.
do like to eat the field.
It gets lighter each pass, so you can go faster. Larry's familiar with those trees over there, but he threaded the needle. That's right. That was a good
2
one.
minutes.
F-16 right through it.
You check.
I see 3 and locked.
We got about 10 more go around.
3 and locked.
We gotta be conservative here. No flaps, so you're gonna need to come in a little hotter than normal.
You got plenty of runway.
He's landed a Viper in the first 30 feet before, so no problem. Yeah.
And the big Viper lands pretty sweet.
You landed a Predator in the grass on accident. That didn't go
Why?
Go around.
Go around here. 3-second delay. No flaps.
Yeah, he's down a quarter throttle.
Down to 0 now.
Yeah, it's floating. There we go. Nose down. We're good.
Approach is looking good. Dropper. Nice. Yeah.
No more rubber, but
No flap landing.
Yeah, 80 mile an hour landing.
Hey, better than 2 clubs.
Record fast. Yes, it is. That's why I kept it up.
with the record fast landing. New record.
She sat down nice, though.